Hi everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Psiphon VPN on smartphones so you can browse safely, access restricted content, and enjoy more online freedom. Now let's get started. Step 1, install the Psiphon app on your smartphone. Search for Psiphon on the Google Play Store, or if you're downloading the APK from the Psiphon website, make sure to enable unknown sources in your security settings before installing. This allows your phone to accept apps from outside the Play Store. Step 2, launch the Psiphon app once it's installed. On the main screen, simply tap the Start button and the app will automatically begin connecting to Psiphon's secure network. Step 3, adjust your settings if needed. Tap Options or VPN settings to decide whether you want Psiphon to tunnel all apps or just specific ones. This gives you control over which apps use the VPN connection. Step 4, go to Proxy settings if you need to enter a custom HTTP proxy. This option is useful for advanced users who want to connect through a specific proxy server for better speed or access. Step 5, view your connection status by checking the Stats or Logs tabs. Here, you can see details about your VPN performance, monitor your connection time, and troubleshoot if anything goes wrong. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more easy and helpful tech tutorials.